Secure the tub flange to the studs and blocking using the right screws and careful alignment to prevent movement and noise. After setting the tub in mortar, run a level along the tub rim and check that the drain and overflow align with the plumbing before you fasten anything. Use corrosion-resistant screws long enough to penetrate into the wall studs or into solid blocking behind the flange, but not so long that they contact plumbing. Typically, a screw that passes through the flange and 2/3 of the way into the stud is sufficient, and stainless steel or coated steel is preferred to avoid future rust. Pre-drill through the flange if it is brittle or if you need precise placement to avoid cracking the material, and space fasteners roughly every 8 to 12 inches depending on tub length and manufacturer guidance. When fastening into studs is not possible, install solid blocking between studs at the appropriate height behind the flange and attach the flange to that blocking. Ensure blocking is installed flush with the interior face of the studs so the screws pull the flange tight. Do not over-tighten screws so the flange deforms or pulls away from the mortar bed, because that will transfer load back to the shell and can cause cracking or noise. Tighten until the flange sits snug and then stop. After securing, recheck the tub is level and that the flange remains fully supported by the mortar bed along the bottom edge to prevent point loads and ensure the tub is solid underfoot. Common mistakes include relying only on the mortar bed without fastening the flange, which can allow the tub to rock later and cause noise or joint failure. Remedy this by using screws through the flange into studs or blocking so the tub edges are restrained. Another frequent issue is using fasteners that are too long or inappropriate for the flange material, so they contact drain or overflow plumbing or crack the flange. Avoid that by pre-measuring screw length, using corrosion-resistant fasteners, and pre-drilling when needed. A third problem is uneven or missing blocking, so screws pull into hollow cavities and do not provide solid support. Fix this by installing continuous blocking at the flange height or by adding backing strips behind the entire flange run before tightening screws. BigHomeProjects.com is our site where we help homeowners find local contractors for tub work and other remodeling needs. We also connect contractors with work opportunities and host a discussion community where we and our users share tips and ask questions about installation details.